Jojo CruzadoFlickrCC BY 2.0 September 22, 2017. There's nothing bird-brained about the praying mantis, except, apparently, its diet. While most insects are content eating plants or other bugs, the mantis has acquired a taste for avian gray matter, the New York Times reports. Hanging out by bird feeders around the world, the insects have been observed feasting on a variety of small birds, in particular, hummingbirds. They're also expert jumpers, have 3D vision that rivals our own, and are masters of camouflage. Want to read more? Click on that link. The pictures alone are worth it.